Danielle. If this is your very first time here, in this video we're going to be doing some decorating for Christmas. I posted a what's it called, a short of me decorating the kids' bathroom, so I'll go ahead and insert that right now. In addition to that, everything in there is brand new. The shower curtain is from Home Goods. The bath rugs, the two wreath bath rugs are from Target. And then pretty much everything else is from TJ Maxx. The shower hooks, the gingerbread rug, the shelf that I put on their bathroom counter, the candle, and the little organizer that I put the like hygiene products in. All that is from TJ Maxx. I want to say the total amount spent on that bathroom was definitely less than $100. The gingerbread rug was $17. The wreath rugs were $7 each, so $14. The shelf was $20. The candle was $7. The little acrylic organizer was $5. And I think that's it. So it was really, really inexpensive to do their bathroom. Oh, and the shower hooks were $5.99, $6. So yeah, that was a really cute, quick, easy little project that kind of got me going. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get all the Christmas decorations from outside. We're gonna start in the kitchen. I got a couple things recently. One of them being this really cute shelf, or not shelf, what's this called? Oh my gosh, what is this called? Tray. This tray. So I think I might swap out the tray over here that I have for Halloween and put this one there. We'll see. I'll show y'all everything that I do. Again, I haven't spent a ton of money on decorations. I prefer not to spend a lot of money on holiday decorations because one, I don't have them up that long, and two, I just don't want to spend that much money on that. So yeah, let's get into it. Friday. It's Black Friday. I am currently heading to Short Pump. I'm gonna look for some more Christmas decorations. I want to look and see what I can find. So I'm definitely gonna go to Crate and Barrel. I am definitely gonna go to, I don't know, Pottery Barn, since I'll be at Short Pump, and then maybe Williams-Sonoma. We'll see. I will be going to quite a few stores though, and then I'm just gonna see what I can find. Okay, y'all, it is now Sunday morning, 9:25 in the morning. I am heading, well, I'm actually at TJ Maxx. I have a couple returns. I have a candle to return and also a shower curtain that I bought. Actually, 2 shower curtains I need to return here. And no, 1 shower curtain I need to return. The other one needs to go to Home Goods. So I have to go to Home Goods next to return that. And then I'll probably be heading home after that. I really don't have much else to do. I'm trying to decide if I want to go to the Coach outlet, because I want to look at the Aria bag before it runs out, before it's no longer 25% off. So that's the only other place I'm considering going today. And it may or may not go to the movies because I want to see Sarah's Oil. So we'll see. I don't know. I might go home, might stay out and do that stuff, but we'll see. But yeah, so right now I'm about to run in TJ Maxx, like I said. I will be looking for some soul food to see if they have it. If not, then I'll probably just head out because I really don't need much else. Didn't really do much shopping on Friday, Black Friday, because honestly it was just so annoyingly crowded everywhere. Like, there was lines to get in some of the stores. Who the hell is waiting in line to go in Bath and Body Works? Not I. So yeah, I only went in 2 stores, Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn, which y'all saw. I didn't buy anything. Those 2 stores were actually pretty chill. They weren't super crowded, but the prices are a little bit crazy, especially at Pottery Barn. Just for like ornaments and like stems, I was just like not willing to pay those prices. And then on Saturday, I stayed in the house all day. I was sleeping on and off all day yesterday. I was so tired. My head was hurting because I guess I just needed to slow down. So my body was like, girl, pump your brakes. So I was in the house. I got up and made breakfast, had a headache, went to sleep at like 1, woke up at like 4, made dinner, went to sleep at like 6, and woke up around like 10:30, and then went to sleep around like 2. And that was my whole day yesterday, 2 a.m. And woke up around 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning. And now it's 9:28 and I am at TJ Maxx. I made a super good coffee this morning. This was 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I did like exactly a tablespoon of the blonde espresso, the Nescafe blonde espresso, the golden line or whatever it's called. A little bit of hot water, I frothed it, and then I added just a touch of the brown sugar syrup, a touch of the French vanilla syrup. It didn't need that, it was a bit sweet. Those probably I could have skipped. And then I did some milk, poured for color, just until I got to the color I wanted it to be. And then I did some of the brown sugar coffee creamer, oat coffee creamer from Trader Joe's. When I tell you this was so good, it was so good. We'll be making that again tomorrow morning. But anyway, let's go into the store, return this shower curtain and this what is it called, candle. Let me pull up the receipt on my phone, and then we can head probably head to Potomac Mills, because I think I'm going to go ahead and go in the Coach outlet just to see. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1. Clearly I didn't buy much because I didn't show y'all anything else. I did not get a new Coach purse. I don't even think... I did go in the Coach store, but there was nothing in there. I didn't like the Aria bag, so I didn't get that. I did not go to the movies. I think I went to the Coach store and came right back home. So really not much to share. So yeah, that's all I did that day. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for another video. Bye.